Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the friend's couch. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with the friend's couch, we're going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down a little bit. Next, I want to leave some space here, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to come down a little bit, kind of like two hook marks. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up like this, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come up. See, it's kind of looking like a mushroom right now. Then, as I come up, I'm going to go up, and we're going to come right to here. Now, I'm going to make this line just a little bit longer on each side. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come across to here. Right here at this corner, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side. Next, we want to make a nice line that comes down on each side. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come across to connect it. And we'll do the same thing right up here from these points. Right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And we'll make another line that's going to come across. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come around. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up, and we're going to come right around here, kind of like a hook shape. Next, I'm going to start here. We're going to go in, and we're going to come down here and connect. It's going to look like a candy cane. So I'm just going to redraw the shape. We're just going to go up, we're going to come down, and then connect it here, like a candy cane. Then we'll make a little line that comes back on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up for the arm of our couch, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up for the arm of the couch. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down. I'll do another one here that's going to go up and down. I'll do one more right here that's going to go up and down. Next, right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up from each one of these. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then in. And then right here, we'll draw a little line that's going to go down and then in. And then I'm just going to kind of round some of these lines off a little bit, just to make it look like they're not so geometric. So we're just going to kind of round off some of this stuff. And there you go. There is your drawing of the friend's couch. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.